Hi guys, welcome back. Hi my fellow Junebugs, thank you so much for joining me in this video. Today I have another unboxing. Don't pretend like you guys are sick of these unboxings because I know that unboxings get the highest views on my channel. So, you know, if you like it, why not keep going? Because I love buying things. So I am going to reveal a bag to you guys today and I'm quite excited about this one because this bag is stunning. I have actually purchased this bag before and I'm hoping I've made a video on it. If I haven't, do let me know if you want me to sort of do a story time or talk about it after this one. But basically, this particular bag I've purchased before in a different color and for some reason or other it did not work for me, and I'm thinking it might be the color, so that's why I did repurchase it in this particular color that I'm about to share. So if you're excited to see what I've gotten, do keep watching. But before I do start, I just wanted to say hi to anyone who's new here. Welcome, my name is June. I am a doctor by day and I make YouTube videos in my spare time. I'm addicted to handbags and luxury items, and if you like these type of videos I would love it for you to subscribe and join me in my next one. So I just received the parcel today. I'm quite excited because it came from all the way in the UK. This item I purchased from a seller that I've purchased from before. Well, kinda in a way. So this item I purchased from Vintage Amour, which you guys know. I've bought stuff from her before. She has sent me items, so I trust her. However, this bag itself was actually from a friend of hers, so it was shipped from London. But I got this for such a good deal, and I've been looking for this bag for a while and I could never find it in like a decent price for decent condition. When I saw it on her page, I do trust her, so that's why I purchased it straight away. But yeah, let's just get on to the video and I will talk a bit more about what brought me to purchasing this bag and why. So it comes in this box right here. Some scissors. Right, interesting packaging. I haven't seen one of these boxes before. So opening it up, it does come pretty well packaged. Lots of bubble wrap, which I'm happy to see. Cool. So I'll put the bag up down. Alright, as you can see, it is a Gucci bag. Oh my gosh, here we go. Right, we will see. Alright, to reveal you guys, my latest handbag, and that is, oh my god, you guys, look at that color. Oh my gosh, you guys, the color is so beautiful. Okay, you guys already know what it is, but let me just open it up. Gosh, you guys, oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh my god, you guys. Oh my gosh, wow. My hands are like sweaty. The color is freaking insane. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. Oh, that leather smell is insanity. So, you guys, let me reveal to you my latest handbag, and that is the Gucci Marmont in the, I think this is the medium, it's definitely the larger size, in this beautiful candy pink color. It's just so beautiful. Oh my god, it's so bright. It's insane. It's insane how bright and like purpley pink beautifulness it is. Oh, the color is just so stunning. So yeah, I mean, it's the Gucci Marmont flat. You guys would have seen a gazillion and one videos on this, but this particular color I feel like not a lot of people have. I remember when I first saw this color when the Gucci Marmont first came out, like that was way back in 2015, 2016. I initially was actually looking at the camera bag because it was so decently priced. It was under $1,000 Australian dollars, which I thought was an amazing price for a Gucci bag. And that was when the YSL blogger bags were out also, so mini bags were super duper in at the time. I went to the Sydney Gucci store and I actually tried the the mini Marmont in the pink, and I loved it. I loved it. I also tried on the camera bag, which was way too long. So I love the mini, but I obviously wasn't prepared to pay the price point at that stage because I think it was a lot more expensive than the camera bags. So I left it, but I love the pink color. Since then, the Gucci Marmont like just blew up. And you know, when something's super trendy, you sort of just get put off by it. I mean, I wasn't put off completely, but it just wasn't top of my like wish list at the time. And the more I looked at it, the more I really liked the medium style, and so that's what I had my eye on. I thought the mini was a great size, and I actually, believe it or not, purchased a mini Gucci Marmont flap, and I got it in the pink velvet. So I really wanted like a pop of color. And I quickly returned that because I knew it wasn't really for me. I just felt like the color wasn't for me, and the size was like just too similar to all my other small flaps. And then recently, if you guys weren't aware, I did purchase this also in the nude, the porcelain pink color, I think is what it's called. And it did not work for me either. And I also got that in the medium, and yeah, it didn't work for me. The color, for some reason, I think it like washed me out a little bit. I'm not 100% sure. I know it looks so stunning, like the color was actually really stunning in real life, but just on me and my clothing, I don't know, it just did not work. I felt like I wouldn't reach for it. It wasn't something that I was like in love with, so I did quickly return it, even though I got that for a really good price. So that I got for $2,500 because I had a 15% off coupon code from Matches, or they were having a 15% off sale. I'm not 100% sure, but I got it for a really good price, so it wasn't really the price that was stopping me from keeping it. So when I got that bag, I thought, you know, I think I do really like the size. It's just the color that's really not working out for me, and so I decided, you know what, I really love the pink. Like that was the color that I fell in love with when I tried on these Marmont, as well as like the off-white. I love that too. But then, you know, obviously I follow Vintage Amour. You guys know that I've purchased many things from her, and she posted this and she said it was pretty much brand new condition, and she was selling it for such a good price. I basically could not resist. So this bag, you guys, cost me just over 2,000 Australian dollars, which is insane. It's in like a brand new condition, and I freaking love it. Like the color is to die for. You guys, this is in better condition than the bag that I got from Mytheresa, so I'm so happy with it. This is basically it. This is a medium size. It is in like the sort of jumbo size, and it does have the cute, I love the heart on the back. I think it's freaking adorable, and I think because it's in a pink, it makes it even more fun. Like it's not trying to be serious. I feel like if you got the black version, it had a heart, like, you know, I can see why people don't like it, but I think in the pink with the heart on the back, it's just fun. It just matches this bag so well. This comes with the brush gold, which I think looks beautiful and stunning against the pink, just striking. And then opening the bag up, it's a pretty soft bag, which I know, as I mentioned, I had it in the nude form, and it's just really plain on the inside. It's just plain suede, and then in the interior pockets, really plain. Also just have one at the back. It's got all the bits and pieces there, and the back pocket's just pretty plain. So it's got two pockets, one at the back and then one slip pocket at the front. And then the authenticity code is just underneath there. So this is my new bag, you guys. I'm so happy with it. I've been thinking about getting this bag for so long, but they just don't have this color anymore. You can't find it brand new. So when I was able to buy this off Jan for like such a good price, and in like basically in new condition, essentially is what she sold it as, I'm just like so stoked. So as I said, I bought this in the nude, so I've had to play around with it, and I know how I would like to style it. So my favorite way would be to just wear it like this. So this would be my favorite way to wear it, just like as a shoulder bag like that. I think that's so cute, and this bag is such a showstopper also because of the color. Just wow, you guys. And then it does come with like this strap detail here, which means you can make it as like a really long like shoulder bag or crossbody, but it is quite big. I probably wouldn't sort of wear it this way if I can help it. But one way that I did discover is a really cute way of wearing it to make it shorter but still a shoulder bag is if you do this. Because of the leather flap, it actually will stop it from pulling completely. So you can just put this down onto the side and then just wear it like that as a shoulder bag. Obviously this doesn't work as well if you had like a smaller size, because this will sort of be obvious on the back, but yeah, that's how I can wear it. Yeah, you guys, that is it. That is my cutie little handbag there, or my big handbag. I'm so excited to have it. The color is just beautiful. I'm honestly just blown away. It's so bright and bubblegum pink and just like, oh, it's honestly so stunning. If you wore this bag, this would be the only thing you'd see on your outfit. So I think pairing it with neutral outfits would be amazing. Even with like pinks, like just shades of pink would be really cute with this bag. But yeah, I will, if you want me to do like a styling video on this, do let me know. I'd love to do that for you guys. Or if you want me to do a what's in my bag, let me know. But yeah, that is my new handbag, my latest addition to my collection. Do let me know what you think of this bag. Let me know if the Gucci Marmont is something that you're sort of tired of, you think it's done and dusted, and yeah, what do you think of the color? Like, I don't know, I just think it's so fun. Like, I love it. I don't have anything in this color, and you guys know I've been really into pinks lately, so who knew? But I'm pretty excited to have this. So that is it, you guys. That is my latest handbag unboxing. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you want me to do more unboxings, definitely let me know. Check out Jan's Instagram in the info bar below. I paid for this bag completely out of my own money. No discounts were given. Like, she didn't send it to me, so it's not a biased review, although just bear in mind I have worked with her before. I'll put her Instagram in the info bar below if you want to go and check her out. If you want to know the details of my outfit, this is from Cotton On, this is from Cotton On, and this little necklace here is actually from Missoma. I will put links to all of these in the info bar below also. So that's it for me, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys are having a wonderful week or weekend, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.